Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video we will see a new off-campus drive from the TCS Ninja company. Okay, so registrations are opened for campus hiring for the TCS Ninja. Registration end date 15th of August. Test date will be 30 August 2021 onwards. Interview date that will be announced later. Okay, so once you crack your aptitude test, then they will send you an email for the technical interview. Okay, so registrations are already started. About TCS Ninja hiring year of passing 2022. Okay, so uh, we are hiring B. We take ME, MTech, MCA, MSc candidate from the year of passing 2022. For more details on the eligibility criteria, refer the test eligibility section below. Okay, so what is the application process? Step 1, log on to the next TCS next step portal. Here you need to click here. Okay, since it's loading, so step 2 is register and apply to the TCS Ninja hiring process. Scenario: first, if you are a registered user, then you need to log in and proceed to the complete application form. Upon submission, kindly click on apply for drive. Okay, so if on this portal, if you haven't registered before, if you are already registered, then you need to click on the login here and click on apply for drive and submit other details as well. But if you are new to this page or next TCS next step portal, you need to register. Okay, so scenario B, if you are a new user, as I already said, if you are a new user, kindly click on the register now button. If you are new, then click on register now button. If you are already registered, then click on login button. Okay, choose category as IT and proceed to fill your details and submit your application form and click on apply for drive. You must click on apply for drive, otherwise they will not consider your application. Step 3 is select your mode of test: in center or remote. Remote means you can give this test from your home. Okay, that is online exam. In center means you need to go to the that particular center to give that test. Okay, so it's better to give remote. That means from home you can give this exam and click on apply. To confirm your status, check track your application. The status should be reflect as applied for drive. Once you click on apply for drive, then you can go into track your application section and you will see applied for drive. Once you see this line applied for drive, that means you have successfully applied for TCS Ninja off campus drive. Important note: you must have all your original academic document ready available. Mark sheet and degree certificates. Communication related to the test will be communicated to you by TCSIN. Test mode: in center or remote. Once selected at the time of apply for drive, cannot be changed later. Okay, so if you have selected any center, then you can't change it later. TCS does not send job offer any hiring related communication from unofficial email IDs like Gmail, Rediff Mail, Yahoo, Hotmail. TCS does not ask candidate to deposit any money for job offer. Okay, so there is no any hidden charges. TCS is not associated with any external agency or company to conduct any interviews or make offers of employment on its behalf. Help desk: if you face any technical issue, then you can write email to this mail ID if you face any technical issue. Otherwise, no need to do any mail. What is the test eligibility? Okay, so they are hiring for 2022 year of passing. Percentage: minimum 60 percentage or 6 CGPA in 10th, 12th or diploma, and graduation and post graduation. Okay, backlog or arrears or ATKT: should a student should not have more than one active backlog at the time of appearing for the TCS selection process in the highest qualification. If selected, student should not have any pending backlog or arrear at the time of joining TCS. Gap or break in education: it is mandatory to declare gaps in education. Okay, so it is mandatory to declare gaps in education. If any break in education should not be due to extended education or examinations cleared after the time stipulated by the board or university. Any break in education should not exceed 24 months and it is permissible only for valid reasons. Relevant document proof as applicable will be checked for gaps in education. Course type, only full-time courses will be considered. Part-time corresponding courses will not be considered. Students who have completed their secondary or senior secondary course from NIOS, that is National Institute of Open Schooling, are also eligible to apply if the other courses are full-time. All pending backlogs should be completed within stipulated time duration. Work experience, student with prior work experience up to 2 years are eligible to apply for the TCS Ninja hiring process. Age, student should be of 18 to 20 years of age to participate in the TCS Ninja hiring process. Courses and discipline, undergraduation, post-graduation engineering courses from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from any discipline offered by the university or college are only eligible to apply. Test pattern, okay, so test provider is TCSIN, that is NQT, National Qualifier Test is the test provider for TCS Ninja hiring process. Test pattern for TCS Ninja hiring, year of passing 2022. There will be numerical ability. First, there will be cognitive skills section and programming section. Numerical ability 40 minutes, verbal ability 30 minutes, reasoning ability 50 minutes. Okay, so cognitive skill section will be for 120 minutes. Programming logic 15 minutes, then hands-on coding 45 minutes. Okay, so total for programming section there will be 60 minutes allocated, so total test duration is 180 minutes. Okay, so these are the FAQ question, frequently asked question. So please read all these questions if you have any doubt or question regarding this. Okay, so we will check. I repeat, registration will end on 15th August. Your test will be conducted from 30 August. Some candidate will get 31st August, 1st September, 2nd September, as per the batch wise. Okay, it's not necessary that all candidates will get aptitude test invitation link on this date. Some candidate will get 5th of September. Okay, so they have mentioned here test date 30 August onwards. Okay, so how to apply? I repeat, if you are already registered on the TCS Next Step portal, then click on login. If you are a new, then click on register now button. You need to select IT here, first one. Okay, so they have provided some note here. So click here. Okay, so now you are doing the registration. You need to fill all these details. Okay, first name, middle name, surname, your date of birth, your gender, your email ID. I repeat, please give your email ID correct for the further communication. If you give wrong email ID, then you will not be able to receive aptitude test invitation mail and further communication. Enter your mobile number, your institute name, qualification, year of passing, nearest test location. Okay, so you can select out of this, then select your security question and submit this. Once you submit, you need to log in here. Okay, first you need to fill all these details. Please fill all these details, click on submit button. Once you will submit, you will receive one NQT number on your mail ID. Click on login button, then enter your reference ID which you have already received in your mail, or directly enter your mail here and password and click on login button. Okay, so those candidates who are already registered, you can directly log in here. Okay, and you must click on apply for drive, otherwise they will not consider your application for TCS hiring. You must click on apply for drive, and you can check the track your application section to confirm your status. Track your application section, and once you see this line applied for drive, then and then only it will be considered as you have applied for TCS. Okay, so this is all for this video. So please share this TCS recruitment drive with your friends as well, so that they will also get a chance to apply for this drive. And thanks for watching this video.